Here we go. Hello, my YouTube people. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? We are doing great. And we are finally here with the video that I've been telling you about. Remember when we were talking about creating the vision board and not looking like a school project, but rather looking like a piece of furniture that you would want to see in your house every day? Well, that is what we're going to do. And I'm going to design mine to fit in my office. So this is what we did. So you guys remember this guide? The vision board planner that I asked you all to download. If you haven't downloaded it, download it, look through it, fill out some information, and come back to this video. So I extracted a page from the vision board after filling out all of my information, like my motivation and what I'm grateful for, and aspirational quotes, affirmations, inspirational quotes, and all of these things. And this pile is what I created, what I envisioned for myself, what I want in the future. And this is the kind of stuff that I want to put on my board for now. So we're going to put it together. So I'm going to bring you over to the table. So I went and got myself a 20 by 30 frame. That's how big I want my vision board to see. I want to be able to see it from space. Not really, but I want to be able to see it, because if you can see it, you can visualize it. If you can visualize it, then it's attainable. You know where I'm going with that? I know you do. Why is a vision board important? A vision board is important because once you visualize something, then it can become real. If you're looking at something every day, sort of like if you start looking at certain numbers, or if you start looking at certain words, they stay in your head, right? If you start listening to a certain song and the song is on repeat, what's going to happen? You're going to be singing it when you least expect it. It's going to pop in your head and you're going to be like, oh my God, I can't believe I'm singing this song. Where is it coming from? So it's the same kind of concept. Vision board. When you see it, when you see these things that you want, when you see these things that you wish for, they become more attainable. And that's the exercise. You know, the reason that I had you guys download the vision board planner and write that exercise and participate into that workbook was so that you can get more familiar with the things that you want. You could get more personal with the things that you want. Because anybody can just, you know, shoot off at the mouth and say, oh, I want a new car, I want a Mercedes, I want a BMW, I want this. But you really were faced with this physical interpretation of what you wanted. It took thought, it took effort, it took research. So you became more personal with it, which in turn made it a little bit more real. And once you start seeing this every day, it really becomes more attainable because you begin to work for it. You begin to work towards it. It becomes part of your psyche. These are things that you want. So naturally, these are things that you are going to gravitate to and work for. That is the point of the whole vision board planner. So I'm going to take you over here and I'm going to switch my camera and you're going to see the creation of what I put together of my vision board. I'm not going to tell you what it is now. You guys are just going to have to see for yourself. So come on over. Oh, and if you guys are wondering what my shirt says or what it means team. And that's what we are. We're a team. We're a team and we're building together and we're growing together. And I'm so happy and so grateful to have you with me. Let's go. So what we have here is the 20 by 30 frame. I've deconstructed the frame already. This is the cardboard part that goes in the back, and I flipped over the sheet that came in front so that we will have a base as to where to put our things and how to set up our board. So I, of course, am making it in black and white because it matches my office aesthetic. That's the beauty of creating your own vision board. So if you see here, I just scribbled it, excuse the chicken scratch. I pretty much wrote, from my research, pretty much wrote down what I wanted. So for career, full-time YouTube content creator, entrepreneur, Finance, financially free and stable. Friends, best friends. Love, forever with you. My love, my husband. Personal growth, better than I was yesterday. Health, to be healthy and spiritually healthy as well, not just physically healthy. Leisure, of course, to travel. And home, of course, home and car. I don't need mega mansions. I don't need luxury cars. I just, I like what I like. So here it goes. So I've got all these fun cutouts, all my quotes. I am going to start mine with this. Put God first in everything that you do. Put him right at the top. So this is just about playing with how you want to see it. It doesn't have to do with any particular order. I just wanted to put that at the top. So just play around with the things that you want. I like to lay down my pictures first. This is about helping people. This is about pretty home. And I'm gonna rearrange it as we go along. I just want to put down these from the art studio. Aha, of course, we all want this. That is my dream kitchen. That's a pretty house by the beach. This is about the promise for the future. Health, of course. Travel. I love this truck. And I want to get pre-approved. Who doesn't, right? So then we're gonna fill in. Our family dreams, laughs, works, plays, and loves together. Because it's all about family, isn't it? I want to grow old with you and love you for the rest of my life. That's the message from my husband. Yeah, I'm a mush. But since we already have that beach house, I'm not sure if we're gonna need this beach house. So let's just put this here to the side. Financial freedom, financial stability. Put that next to get pre-approved, right? That kind of makes sense. A family that prays together stays together. When things get hard, we all need to know every little thing is gonna be all right. Put that here with helping people. That's kind of fitting. Family means love. Where do we put this one? Since I have family over here, maybe this one is an odd man out. You always print extra. My mind is at peace. I always want my mind to be at peace, as we all do. We want our minds to be at peace. Live a life of adventure. Where are we going to put that here? Since we have financial freedom and financial stability here at the bottom, then we don't need it again. And we're going to put live a life of adventure up here. And of course, I want to live a life of adventure with my family and my best friend. Every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. I like that, like that. So here is my vision board, y'all. Of course, I had to superimpose my name on the YouTube plaque, because if you're gonna dream, you're gonna dream big, and if you're gonna manifest, you're gonna manifest correctly. So no little detail should be looked over. So this is what my vision board looks like, guys. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna glue this down, and we will be back when it's all ready to be put in the frame. And we cannot forget to show gratitude. Never forget to show gratitude. Okay, so now you see that the vision board is pretty much glued down, but there's some empty spaces. I don't want any empty spaces on my mood board. So let's perfectly okay to come in with a marker, with a pen, whatever you want, right? And start writing in little clues, or maybe filling in your thoughts. So I thought of this: financial freedom, financial stability for everyone. Especially those I love. My mind is at peace, knowing I'm loved. Right? Get pre-approved instantly. Like, I don't even want to go in the dealer, and I want them to approve me and just wait for me to come in and pick the car up. Talk about dreams, huh? Instant. I love this car. This is the Ford Bronco. I'm a truck person. I really love it. You can put in little hearts, you know. Just fill it up. Make it your own. Help people. Right? Sometimes it's not enough to see it. You have to write it. You have to read it. For my family and those everywhere. No more cancer. No more dementia. Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. Me and my BFF. See how it's all filling together? My family. I want us to always have love for each other. My why. Dream kitchen. There is my vision board, because I hate negative space, and I love hearts, and I love kisses, and I just really love this Bronco. And since I don't want to decapitate this guy here, I just folded it over. There it is. This is my vision board. So now, let's put this in the frame. Let's not break it. That won't be good. Whoa. Let's put you in the frame. And they have these little things that you push down. Okay, my people, that concludes our vision board video. I hope you liked it. I hope you vibed with it. I hope that you can create your own vision boards based on our information. If you have any questions, please reach out. Please comment. And if you like this video, if you think that there was value in there, you'd like to follow me, like and subscribe. But always, always, please comment. I love to hear your comments. I love to read them. When you do your vision boards, drop it down below. I'd love to see what you guys did. So until the next one, and you don't want to miss the next one. The next one is going to be the other video I've been promising you guys on how to start a side hustle for under $25. You don't want to miss that. And if you have not downloaded the side hustle planner, go again down below, click the link and get you that download. So until the next one, my people, peace.